Bundaberg's East Water Tower, formerly known as Bundaberg Waterworks, was the city's first reticulated water supply. Standing 35.5 metres high, complete with 8 internal levels and 138 steps, the East Water Tower is a significant visual landmark. It's the tallest remaining cylindrical brick water tower in Australia and a significant engineering achievement when it was built in 1902. The tower was commissioned by Queensland Government hydraulic engineer J.B. Henderson. The total cost of construction at the time was £20,000. Bundaberg Waterworks sourced its water supply from nearby Baldwin Swamp. The reticulation system comprised of 3 major elements: a pumping station and intake, the water tower, and the trunk delivery main and reticulation network. The inlet and outlet pipes can be seen on the ground level of the water tower. Windows on the ground level have been enclosed to deter vandals and break-ins. Graffiti on the walls has been left by some of these visitors, as well as builders and staff who've worked on the tower. The inscriptions on the walls have their own social value, as a record of the local identities that have visited the tower in years past. The earliest date noted is 1921, with the writing becoming rarer after the 70s when the tower's security was improved. Prior to this, it was customary for locals and visitors to climb the tower to enjoy the view and for children to play games racing up and down the stairs. Constructed by N.C. Stephenson, the 8-storey tower has a diameter of 9.5 metres at the base. The thickness of the exterior walls tapers from 91.5 centimetres at the base to 35.5 centimetres at the top of the structure. Indents above the stairs show the gradual decrease in wall thickness. This technique can only be used in up to 12 storeys without requiring internal structural supports. Its height and design helped maintain water pressure in the supply network over very flat terrain. During construction, it became difficult to find bricks suitable for the job. Bricks to complete the tower were sourced from Virginia Brickworks in Brisbane. Upon completion, the tower was hailed as a masterpiece of bricklaying. There are only a small number of cylindrical brick water towers of various designs still in existence, and the East Water Tower is uniquely the tallest in Australia. The classical proportions of its 8 storeys, each with 4 semicircular sprung arched windows with blank recesses in between, lend a neo-Romanesque quality to the tower's aesthetic appeal. Above level 8 is the steel water tank with a capacity of 182 kilolitres. The tank was successfully constructed in place by the Bundaberg foundry. It represents technical excellence in what was a difficult undertaking given the construction methods available at the time. East Water Tower was established to provide water for domestic purposes, firefighting, and the sprinkling of streets for dust suppression. Water was distributed to approximately 800 sites in central and south Bundaberg through a network of smaller mains. Maintenance and conservation works are essential for the long-term well-being of the building. Any work undertaken on the site must be assessed to protect the heritage value. Most works on the tower require a like-for-like reconstruction, using similar building materials and trades. The tower has undergone a number of repairs over time, but the main structure has always remained original to its constructed form. The East Water Tower stands as a fine example of the skill of industrial designers Deschon, Weber and Henderson from the Water Supply Department, the mastery of bricklayer N.C. Stephenson, and the expertise of the Bundaberg foundry steelworkers. The tower was in continuous function for over 100 years. Although the tower has been decommissioned, it stands as an imposing and iconic figure of the Bundaberg skyline.